Look how pretty my hair stood. And I love my little points. I think that's like my favorite thing about my hair lately. So I want to show you that you already see the shape of the hair without me even touching it with a brush. I will touch it with a brush, but I want you to show you when you flip it upside down, if it's cut correctly, it's going to do the shape all on its own without you having to do so much hard work to it. I flipped it upside down. It's called a rough dry. You dry it 95%. I mean, it's really pretty dry. And then I take the brush and then I set it. And that takes quick to just set that hair because I already set it up for success. And then you just do the mohawk, first part going under, back, and then you're gonna take like a train track. First part right in the crown, in the back, you're gonna pull that up, grab both pieces of the part. Don't grab one side or the other, both pieces. And then you make sure that these ends are on. See those ends? Get those ends, make sure that's good first. Then we take that. Now, if you want it curlier and to set better, you get the smaller brush, okay? So this is a little bit bigger. This is the smaller one. This, and look, you could read them. Can you see them? But this one, look at, this one is like right to like that part of my finger, where this one, I could wrap it exactly around it. And then now I'm gonna go to the smaller brush for this next section. Get those ends, get those ends. And if you're having a hard time doing that, listen, you could put this on the brush first, wrap it around, get those ends, and then take the dryer and do it. And then unroll it a little bit. Good. I'm gonna dry it, you cool it off. Now watch. This is really cool. You ready? Ta-da! It's so cool how well it works. And you know I use my Monette. That's what the name of it's Modern Nature products. I just use them on my daughter as well because I'm going to do her hair too because I want her to try them. I love them. It makes my hair always awesome. So I'm totally loving these products. Now I'm going to do my bang, and then this is the medium brush, and then I'll take the small one and then do one more piece. Maybe. We'll see. Let's see how it's coming out. I can tell you right now that my hair is way too long, so I am gonna do a haircut soon. It's just so long, but I still like it. Like, you know, I just don't like this. I want it to be like totally full right here, so I don't have to have a separated part. And it will look fine. It'll look more like the Jaclyn Smith blow dry when I finish it. And I just used castor oil on my face because I got some sunburn. So. All right, okay, so let me show you how I'm gonna do the back. I take the back, like this whole back, I'm gonna pull up, pull it up, pull it up. Now listen, I just did the piece in front of it because that's where my crown is. This is the next piece. So get it on there, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Okay, now they're good. Now I can take the blow dryer. Look at that. And I'm just setting it. So, you know, I'm setting it with the smaller brush so it stays better. Now I'm gonna grab the next section in the back, straight in the middle. And I'm just gonna get it and get it on that brush first. Get some of the other stuff out of the way. And here we go. All right, I'm gonna get it on that brush. Get it, get it, get it. Hold on, there we go. Now I'm gonna dry it. And don't forget, I pre-dried my hair, so it's easy to just set that hair. It's like a curling iron. Now I'm gonna take the last section in the back. Now, I always use my imagination. I always think like, okay, how far does that hair have to go till it's gonna get to the end? But because I do it so much, I just know. So otherwise, you just feel it. Just put it on, roll it, and that's your bottom piece. Unroll it, dry it, dry it, dry it. Right, look how it's gonna come out so pretty. I can just tell already because of the products are so good. They're such nice products. They make the hair feel so real. Like, even though my hair is real, but it makes it feel not dry. You know, most of the time because of all my highlights and my color, my hair could be dry, but it is so moisturized and conditioned. It just feels in excellent condition. The Monat products, and it's, so I put the repaired ends in there, and I actually just did my daughter, so I'll show you that video, but I just put the little split end repair. So I put about 3 to 4 little squirts in my hand, and then I put it all through my ends, and I rub it into my ends. I literally rub it in. I'll show it to you with my daughter's hair that I did. And I'm gonna blow dry hers to show you too how beautiful it comes out. Look how nice. Like, it feels amazing. It's not like hay and dry. This is because I didn't do it with a brush yet, but wait until you see how pretty. Wow. I mean, listen, I definitely need to cut my hair on top, so I have this fuller, but look how full it is without doing that. Yeah, and it feels magnificent. Love this stuff. Yeah, good. And then I'm gonna probably feather this back too. And there we go. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Beauteous. Go back. And I'll do this side. There we go. Beautiful. There you go. Yeah. And then I will take, all right, so then you gotta kind of get this out of the way because that's done. And then I'll take this section, and then I'll take this section, and then I'll take this bottom. And I always like to blow dry that back up because it's gonna put volume, because listen, I'm heating it up, and then when it falls back over, it's already cooled off and it will set it like rollers. But you just do it with a brush. And listen, this is the other thing. If it's hard for you, listen, I'm a hairdresser for so many years, so I could blow dry my hair without clips. But you could just get clips and start from the bottom and go up. Or I like to go up and go down because I always like to pull the more volume up top, but you could still do it the other way and still get a lot of volume. And just as much, you know, but I just like to do it this way. So to each his own. You do you, and I do me. Alrighty, so we have this little part left. Now listen, if you don't want to have this under, you literally take it, okay? You're gonna grab it and you bring it forward. And roll. Ta-da! I love it. Nice and fluffy and fun and layered. Yes, I definitely need a haircut, but it's still nice considering that, you know, I don't have this super full. Still looks good, and I'm gonna use the new stuff that I got, dry shampoo, to make it fuller. I am waiting on the texture spray, so I am gonna get that texture spray, but dry shampoo will work the same way, very similar, because it absorbs oil, but it'll put fullness and tack in this hair so it's fuller. Or I can use a pick. Let me see if I have a pick. Okay, or a comb, even a comb. So I could also just take this, okay, you back comb it. Just keep back combing until it kind of stays up. See that? And then you'll just go over it a little bit. Now look at how long that is, too long. I need to cut it in half. Make a wish. There we go. There we go, look at that hair. Ooh, see, so it still has enough volume from the mousse to hold it up straight if I tease it. But you know, I'm not the 80s chick like animals, but I love her style and I could do it easily with my hair. And this would probably be the length that would work super best. And sometimes I like to take a whole side part to my bang. I don't always like to have it straight down. And then even when you tease that, you know, you could break it up a little bit and just make sure you're back, right? You just touch it a little bit. And I love it. All right, guys, this is Coach Kimmy. These are tips and tricks to blow dry your own hair and make it easy. Now listen, it's nighttime and I wanted to do it at night. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, it'll be super easy for me to just blow dry my hair in like 3 minutes. I just could reset it super quick, but it's gonna really hold its shape. So I'll show you in the morning. Have a good night, sweet dreams. Look how pretty my hair stood. And I love my little points. I think that's like my favorite thing about my hair lately. Like I love how dark it is. And I love my little point. I almost want to like do it a little bit more. And I could put my hair back too. I wanted to take even a little this way, push it back. If I didn't want a bang, you could do that. Yeah, but I like that. Products are great.